Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm gonna show you 5 tool deals you're gonna wanna check out, and I'm gonna do it in less than 5 minutes. So let's hop into it. Okay, all of these are on Amazon. All links will be down below, so let's jump into it. We're gonna go real quick here. All right, first is gonna be this carabiner with all of the different bit holders. I don't know if you guys have seen these going around. I don't know if they're new, but they seem to be gaining popularity. You can get this first one I'm picking up here, so it looks like this has 6 different bits to choose from in terms of holders. So you can carry 6 of your favorite or most used drill bits. Okay, let me jump to the next one here. The next one is going to actually be the tool pouch that I use. I like this one because it actually has a belt clip. It has a belt loop also, but you're able to just grab this, clip it over your belt and take off. You don't have to take your belt off or anything. Super simple. And it is a great tool pouch that I've been using and really enjoy it. All right, next is the Fast Cap tape measure. I found this from another YouTuber, Sedge Tool. He uses these fast caps. Reason I like it is because it actually has, if you see on the screen here, it has both metric and imperial on it. I am in the US, so we are imperial mainly, but you start getting into some of these Festools or you do stuff with cabinet hinges, a lot of that is going to be metric. So it's nice to have both, and one tape measure that allows me to have both at the same time is a great help and saves a lot of time and having to punch in and guesstimate what the imperial to metric conversion would be. All right, next is the Klein Tools multi-bit screwdriver. If you've seen one of my last videos, I had said I would rather just have one of these instead of having like an 18 set of individual screwdrivers. Save space, and it's just a little bit more convenient than having to go and hope you're grabbing the right size screwdriver. If you're doing something in the house and you just grab one screwdriver, doesn't mean it's gonna be correct, unfortunately. This multi-bit Klein is very well known. I've used quite a few of these, different versions of it. This is one I found that's a good price compared to what I saw places like Home Depot, Menards, and Lowe's. So I want to make sure you guys saw this one. And then this is more of a fun one, definitely the most expensive, but this is actually a router circle cutting jig. So you can actually attach your router to this and use it as a pivot point, and that will allow you to get a perfect circle using this jig. Definitely something that if you're looking for some accessories for tools, this is one that's definitely fun to use. I am looking for a good version of for my Festool OF 1400. Of course, the Festool version is quite a bit of money. This is one I was looking at. It has relatively strong reviews. It's actually really good reviews if you look at it. So this may be one that'll be showing up at my front door here in the next few days. So there's 5 different tool deals I found in under 5 minutes. Please go ahead, like and subscribe to the video down below. The weather is starting to break, so hopefully we'll be able to get back outside and do some real DIY stuff, but I just want to make sure you guys are getting some value out of this channel. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Hey, you made it to the end. Thanks for that. Please check out our other options for videos, and please don't forget to like and subscribe down below.